Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, learn, and solve problems. But to use AI effectively, you first need to understand how it works. Welcome to Introduction to AI, which is a great starting point for anyone who is new to the AI, who wants to learn AI from scratch, who doesn't know the terminology that comes along with it, doesn't know what is a LLM, what's the difference between Anthropic, ChatGPT, and so on and so forth. And in this course, we will take a look at those fundamentals elements. I'm going to start with an overview of AI so we know what it is and what it can do for us. Then we will talk about LLMs, large language models, which is a fundamental element, a technology that is associated with AI. Then we will take a look at the differences between applications and models and AI solution vendors. So this is going to be more of like a terminology session. We will also briefly look at AI agents to learn about more advanced applications of AI. And then in the second portion of this course, this is going to be a practical part where I'm going to show you how to build or just create prompts effectively. So how to communicate with AI in a way that it gives you satisfactory results. Hope you guys join me in this series, and thank you for watching.